What if I told you that everything you've been taught about getting rich is outdated? The 9-to-5 grind, saving every penny, climbing the corporate ladder, that's old school. Today, there's a new way to become rich, and it's faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever. Let's break it all down, step by step, right here on Growth Mindset. This isn't about quick schemes or fantasy shortcuts. This is about a modern strategy that's building wealth for real people, fast. So if you're tired of working hard and still being broke, this video is for you. Part 1, The Old Way is Broken. Let's start with the obvious, the old path to wealth is broken. Go to school. Get good grades. Get a job. Work 40 years. Retire. That formula doesn't work anymore. Inflation's rising, wages are stagnant, and the job market is uncertain. People with degrees are drowning in debt, while kids on YouTube are building million-dollar brands. Why? Because the rules have changed, and so should your mindset. Here's the truth, wealth is no longer about how hard you work, it's about how smart you leverage the tools of today. Part 2, The New Path to Riches. So what's the new way to become rich? It's built on 3 powerful pillars. 1. Digital leverage. 2. Multiple income streams. 3. Personal branding. Let's break each one down. 1. Digital leverage. You can now reach the entire world from your laptop or phone. Start a YouTube channel. Create an online course. Sell products with no inventory. The internet gives you scale. One video can make money while you sleep. One digital product can sell 1,000 times without extra effort. 2. Multiple income streams. Wealthy people don't rely on one paycheck. They have income from digital products, affiliate marketing, freelance work, investments, content monetization. You don't need a million followers, you need a few smart systems. 3. Personal branding. Your name is your currency. Whether you're on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok, your brand brings in opportunities. People follow people, not companies. You build trust. You build audience. Then you build wealth. Part 3, Tools and skills you need. So how do you get started? You need to master modern skills that bring money in fast. Here are 5 essential ones. 1. Content creation. Learn to speak, write, and share ideas online. Video is the king of attention. Start with what you know. 2. Marketing and sales. Understand how to promote and sell, not just post. You don't need a fancy degree, just practice and learn. 3. Automation tools. Use tools like Canva, ChatGPT, Notion, and automation software to work smarter. 4. Financial literacy. Learn how to manage money, reinvest, and grow assets. 5. Mindset. This is Wood's mindset, and this is where it all begins. Believe in growth. Learn fast. Fail forward. Part 4, Case studies, real examples. Let's look at some real-world examples. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, started a TikTok on healthy meals and now earns $10,000 per month from digital products. Mike, a laid-off mechanic, learned video editing and now freelances online while building his YouTube channel. Devin, a student, created a Notion template, posted it on Gumroad, and made $3,000 in a month. What do they all have in common? They used modern tools, built simple systems, and focused on creating value. Part 5, Your Game Plan. Now let's talk about your game plan. Step 1, choose your platform. Pick one: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and go all in. Step 2, pick a skill or topic you enjoy. Health, finance, productivity, gaming, travel, anything that solves problems or entertains. Step 3, create, learn, repeat. Don't wait to be perfect. Post, learn, adapt. The internet rewards speed. Step 4, build income streams. Monetize with affiliate links, digital products, services, coaching, or ad revenue. Step 5, think long-term. Wealth doesn't come overnight, but momentum is real. Commit for 1 year and your life can look completely different. Summary: the new way to become rich isn't a fantasy. It's already happening for those who take action. So ask yourself, will you keep waiting for permission? Or will you build your own path? If you're ready to level up, subscribe to Wood's Mindset, or we turn growth into results. Your future is waiting. Don't keep it on pause. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not too late to start. It's only too late if you never do.